Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's goal is to create a bash script that automates a website backup from app server 3 and sends it to a backup server. First, let's log into app server 3. Before we start scripting, the task notes mentioned that the zip package is required but might not be installed. Let's make sure we have that ready so our script doesn't fail later. Perfect. Now we are ready to write the script. The task requires the script to be named beta_backup.sh located in the scripts directory. Let's create that using vi. Here is the logic for the script. First, we use the zip command to archive the website data located in /va/www/html/beta. Next, we move that zip file to the local backup directory on this server. Finally, we use the scp command to securely copy that file over to the remote Nautilus backup server. Now, there is a crucial requirement. The script must not ask for a password when copying the file. To achieve this, we need to set up SSH key-based authentication. I'll generate an SSH key pair using ssh-keygen. Then, I'll copy the public key to the backup server using ssh-copy-id. This allows the app server to talk to the backup server securely without manual password entry. With the keys set, let's fix the permissions. I'll give the script execute permissions using chmod 775. A quick ls-l confirms that the script is now executable. Moment of truth, let's run the script. It looks like it executed without any errors or password prompts. That's a good sign. We can't just assume it worked. We need to verify. Let's SSH into the backup server and check the target directory. And there it is. xfusioncorp_beta.zip is sitting in the backup folder. The automation is working perfectly. The task is verified and complete. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more KodeKloud level 2 tasks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.